NP 2020 Makada Class 5 Faubugi Manungda Leiba Mahirui Singh Masa Masagi Mamalonda Mahimasin Tamhangadabani Hairiba Asi Yamna Shingthaningai Oiba Khongthang Amani Haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Phongdokhrei Wafamasi Manipuri School Education Reforms Ke Matangda Lumit Humni Chatakadaba Workshop Ama Hodopugi Thoramda Mahakna Phongdokhibani An Approach to Implementation Challenges and Opportunities of NAP 2020 Haibahiramda Vidya Bharati Siksa Vikas Samiti Manipurna Sindhana Chatagadaba Workshop Adu Hodopagi Ngasi Palace Compound Labor City Convention Center da Pangtokiba Thoram Aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Hai Kumta English Singani Nifutadet Faubugi Madungda India Ase Chaukat Palebak Vikshit Bharat Ama Oinaba Changsiliba Khongthang Asida NAP 2020 Ase Yamnamaru Oiba Sarugama Oiri Kunai Ama Ahumba Purakna Bahonabda Education na Ajoba Mapam Amakalibane Education Haibasi Malim Ase Ahumba Purapada Kwaidigi Mapangal Kanba Kulai Amani Haina Malim Giluchingba Nelson Mandela na Phongdok Lamhe NAP 2020 Makada Class 5 Faubugi Manungda Leiba Mahirui Singh Masa Masagi Mamalonda Mahai Masin Tamhangadabani Haibasi Yamna Shingthaningai Oiba Khongthang Amane Khongthang Ase Thabakta Onthoknaba Hotnabada Workshop Asina Achoba Thodang Logani Haibagi Thazaba Changna Lei Haina Mahakna Phongdokhi Mahakna Makatana Hai Lamdam Asida Thokliba Thodok Wathok Singh Asina Maram Oiraga Mahai Masin Tambada Achoba Safu Mapiri Mahai Masin Tambaki Film Asi Hena Kumang Chaushinaba Lengakna Angamba Thakta Honari Education System Asi Hena Kumang Chaushinaba Honabada Pumnamakna Achoba Thodang Lominabaluinana NAP 2020 Asi Mai Pakna Chatna Hanaba Pumnamakna Honaminasi Haina Mahakna Makataki
The Lakadoriba 2047 he dixit Bharat se Malayanda Chilida quite a Kumang soccer country among Pinaba Honabada education low to communication. Class 5 of Mari Maratanda, class Lavalo, Alo, I see. And I think Malo that you were against the knowledge to very regard. Other than Sindiriba or Sochina, but then Zogo Pangani had been Haza Loina. Which they say, Mayamitra, one blockade crisis, Mayamala, announcing his multiplication block, say on whom the word of the say of Amalization. And again, Tamasuna, the kid from Uganda, obviously this Hanga in the Maramorganda, department, putting it, Tanzadu, Opistario, Hiker, what was your Hello, Tabasi, make up the whole Reganda, should be told. And Tazaga, Sarkar, Madam Tagoya, Pote, Sarkar, Paza, Punama, Sierra, Pomom, Sierra, Lepaganda, National Education Policy, my partner. Sangabe, Punamate, Pang, the sea.
Samagra Siksa Manipur Amadi Department of Education Gimiting Makada Pangtokiba Thoram Aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Vidya Bharati Akhil Bharatiya Siksha Sangsthan Ge Vice President Manya D Ramakrishna Rao Vidya Bharati Purvotar Khetra Ge President Professor Ganga Prasad Prasen Amadi Vidya Bharati Siksa Vikas Shamiti Manipur Ge President Professor Maibam Georgette Namathang Sitna Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Oina Sarugyaki
Akoigi man oiba philosophy di afaba citizen ama sema ga akoigi afaba khunai ama semba sida akoi focus tawjabani adugi paring chatharak poina akoigi NAP 2020 hairiba asigi implementation challenges samsung opportunity asi government ta amasung government ki leiriba school system sida khara dor su mateng pangna haidana koina initiative lo jari hairaga Department of Education ki samagra siksana sponsored tawiraga ngasigi 3 days ki workshop asi tawjabani NAP gi manung sida yauriba akoigi model tangta tambibagi aduga akoigi holistic report card kaina hairiba 360 degree analysis kaina hairiba singasi akoigi vocational education kaina hairiba sigumba myam asi kamaina implement tobu yagadagi habadugi matangda akoi khana jagadabani